Speaking of the key of C, which we talked about in the last video, we are going to play the happy birthday song in the key of C. And then we're going to use the happy birthday song as an example in the next video after this when we talk about that hack, finding the right key for your voice. Since we all know this song, I think it's the perfect song to explain all of this with. This song has been done so many different ways. So we'll start simple and we'll do a simple strumming pattern, but then I can show you something a little bit more fancy to make it just extra. So first we will just do down strums, okay? When there are two of the same chords in a row, like you can see it starts with a C, but then there's a G, and then there's immediately another G. That just means if we're just doing the down strum, you're doing another down strum for that G. So every chord that's on there will symbolize a down strum if we're just doing the down strum version. So let's try that first. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. That's what it would be if we just played a down strum for each chord. For that F, you can do any version of F that you want. The F major 7 will definitely fit in there if you feel like that full version of F is still challenging for you right now. You can even use the easy C and easy G if you want, with the eventual practice of getting that full C and full G in there. This is a great song to practice because it's super simple and everyone knows it. Let's make it a little bit more fun. We'll do the down, down, up, down, down, up. We'll do the down, down, up, 2 for each chord. At the end though, the last 2 chords, you might just want to do a down strum for those last 2 since it's a quick change for those last 2, that last G and C. So the way we're going to do that is the down, down, up, down, down, up. Then we'll change to a G, down, down, up, down, down, up. Stay on the G. C, C, F, C, strum, strum. So, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Just down, down for the G, C. That strumming pattern gives it more of a Western vibe, and if you want to up that Western feel, you can, if you put your fingers in the chord C, and when you go down, down, up, you're doing that down, down, up. You can, instead of doing a full down, just do the bass note of the chord. So the bass note of the chord C, if you're playing 5 strings, that would be the 5th string. This is the C. So with C, we'll play the 5th string only and then do the down up. So in place of the first down, the long down, you would just play 1 note. For example, we'll do the 5th string and then down up. 5th string, down up, 5th string, down up. 5th string, down up, 5th string, down up. Then if you want to move to the G, 6th string, down up, 6th string, down up. And then you keep going on G, 6th string, down up, 6th string, down up, and back to C. 5th string, down up, 5th string, down up. And then when you go to the F, because we're going to get there, it depends on what F you're doing. If you're doing the full F, then you can do 5th string, down up, 5th string, down up. Or if you're doing the F major 7, you're going to do 4th string, down up, 4th string, down up when we get to the F. So the full song, if you're going to do it that way, would be happy birthday to you. 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 And really, you can add in any strumming pattern that you learn along the way to that song, because there's so many versions of that song, and if you like a certain version better, a certain strumming pattern better than another, then it's, use whatever one you like. But that's kind of something to start with. In the next video, like I said, we're going to talk about finding the right key for your voice, and this is the perfect song to do it, but make sure that you kind of got this song down somewhat before we get into that, so we can really experiment and talk about how to do that.